Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this evening's presentation. On tonight's menu, French onion beef sloppy joes. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. Evening mise en place in order of appearance. Melting some butter with some olive oil. I add the onions. And after sauteing, I add the garlic and saute for a little bit more. And after several minutes, here are the caramelized onions. And then I add the ground beef and start to brown. After browning for a few minutes, I add the herbs and spices. And then I add the sauces. And I cook to combined. Here's the first layer where I torch the cheese. And here's the final French onion beef sloppy joes. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.